Hello, welcome back. Let's smoothly slow down videos in Premiere Pro. So let's say I have this footage of houses and trees, and it's being played at 30 frames per second, just like this. And then you want to slow it down. Right click on the video in the sequence, click on speed/duration, and then let's say if you want to decrease the speed by half, type 50% and then hit enter. Hit enter again. Nah. So, see, it's choppy because we've slowed down the video, but we are using the existing frames that are included in this slowed down video. Let's do another approach though. Right click on the video in the sequence and then click on speed or duration and then change the speed to 50%, but we're going to change the time interpolation to optical flow. So optical flow is a method of motion interpolation where there will be more frames that will be generated between the existing frames of the video. When we slow it down, new frames will be created and then the video will be slowed down and then it will be played at the same frame rate, which is 30 frames per second without making the video choppy. Click on OK and then hit enter to render all of the frames. It will take some time. When you're done, it will look like this. Oh yeah, now new frames have been generated between the existing frames so that the video is slowed down just like this, yet it still retains the 30 frames per second rate. That's how you can smoothly slow down videos in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!